Trades Tech Podcast, Episode 3. Is college overrated? The truth about high-paying trade jobs. Welcome back to the Trades Tech Podcast, the show where we break down the future of work, technology, and the skilled trades revolution. Today's question is becoming more relevant than ever. Is college overrated?
With over 650,000 skilled trades jobs unfilled every year and salaries starting at $60,000 or more, it's time to question the outdated idea that a four-year degree is the only way to success.
And that's not just a random number. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, consistently reports that construction alone has over 300,000 open jobs each month. And that's before you even factor in manufacturing, utilities, and transportation, all heavily reliant on skilled trades.
And it's not slowing down. The BLS projects 80,000 plus new electrician jobs opening every year for the next decade, and tens of thousands more for plumbers, HVAC techs, and pipe fitters.
So today, we're breaking down the paychecks, technology evolution, changing Gen Z attitudes, and why skilled trades might just be the smartest career path for the future.
And remember, this podcast is powered by NSTN LP, an organization with over 101 years of combined experience in skilled trades and tech-driven training, bridging the gap between hands-on expertise and innovative education through NCTT Academy and the Trades Tech program. Let's start with the most eye-opening stat, the paycheck. Everyone talks about tech jobs paying six figures, but trades are quietly delivering solid incomes, often with better financial stability.
Right. Electricians, plumbers, and HVAC techs often start at $60,000 or more, especially in unionized regions or states with high demand. Specialized trades like wind turbine techs, solar installers, and robotics technicians often start even higher.
It's not just about the money either. Studies and surveys consistently show high job satisfaction among tradespeople. People feel a real sense of accomplishment. They see the results of their work every day, and that's incredibly rewarding.
Yeah, it's about more than just a paycheck. It's about building something real, solving problems with your hands and your mind, and knowing you're doing essential work.
That's key. Renewable energy tech jobs, for example, are exploding. Wind turbine technicians have a 44% projected growth rate through 2032, according to the BLS, with strong salaries right out of training.
There's even data showing that by age 30, tradespeople frequently have a higher net worth than their college-educated peers. Why? Lower student debt, faster career entry, and consistently strong wages.
And let's not forget,
explore the full conversation at tradestechpodcast.com, where 101 plus years of skilled trades expertise meets cutting-edge tech insights.